Hi! This vlog is a bit overdue because I bought this bag for more than a month ago and I still haven't unboxed it because I was so busy and I was also out of the country for 2 weeks. So today I would like to share with you why I decided to buy this bag even if this is not my first choice. By the way, my name is Vivian Queen V and I normally share videos about beauty, fitness, and practical tips, especially if you are already in your 50s. Plus, recently, I added some bag reviews. So today, as mentioned, I would like to share with you why I decided to buy this bag, even if this is not the bag I really wanted at first. What I wanted was the Christian Dior book tote bag because it's very cute and for me it's very functional and a lot of celebrities, be it local or international, are using that. Apparently, when I checked the price is so expensive. It's almost 200,000 for the small size. And for me, I believe it is not worth it. It's too pricey for what it is. It's not even made of leather. And that is the reason why I decided to look for other designer tote bags. And what I bought is this Gucci tote bag, which I will unbox it with you. So let's do it. So this is the box. I bought this bag at EDSA Shangri-La Mall. I decided to buy this as I know bag prices are keep going up. So if you really have plans of buying the bag that you want and you have that budget naman, then I advise to go for it. This is the Gucci small tote bag. Its color is color blue, but it looks like black to me. This is made in Italy and the dimensions are 12.2 by 10.4 by 5.5 inches. This is with top handle and it comes with a shoulder strap. This is the Gucci logo. So let's remove the papers. By the way, I was advised by the Gucci personnel that it is advisable to bring back the paper when you store your bag so that to retain its form. By the way, I just would like to show you the dust bag. It's like, actually it's made of katsa with the Gucci logo. Parang yung katsa when you buy flour or pandesal. Okay. So this is it. So let us inspect the bag. So this is made of canvas. Okay. But the sides are made of leather. The sides and also this one and also the handle. Okay, so but unlike the Christian Dior, it's 100% made of canvas. Okay, then inside, it's very squarey and there is one pocket here. Okay, with a zipper. And the closure is just this one. It's a hook. Okay, you can just close it like the Louis Vuitton Never Full, so you can just lock it this way. And since there is a handle, you can use it both as a handbag and as a shoulder bag. But notice that the buckle for the shoulder bag are both on this side. Okay. Normally, one here, but this Gucci, they're both on one side. Let me attach now the handle. It's color silver. Okay. So when you use it as a shoulder bag, so it's like this. I believe you can also use this as a body bag, but you have to lengthen the shoulder strap. So I have lengthened it and let's try it as a body bag. So you can use it as a body bag, but in my opinion, I don't find it really nice using as a body bag. For me, I just like this, using a shoulder bag and as a tote bag. But definitely, it's up to you how you want to use it. Okay, so it's nice. So I'm here modeling the bag. So you can carry it this way. It's nice. Or you may carry it using it as a shoulder bag. Also very nice. So it's up to you how you are going to use it. Let me now try putting my things inside my bag. This is my wallet. And then let me put my coin purse. And then let me put my eyeglasses and my notebook for work if I have meetings. So I love Egypt. I bought that when I was in Egypt 2 weeks ago. Okay, so it all fits. And I still have some space to put some items. So this is my laptop at work. So let me put it inside if it will fit. So this is the 13-inch Lenovo laptop ThinkPad. So if I will put it this way, it won't fit. Okay, if it place it this way, actually it's not nice to put your laptop here because laptop is quite big. And then I have another laptop. This is my personal laptop. The size of this is 13-inch. So definitely it won't fit even if I will put it this way. You will just ruin your bag, which is so expensive, and then you will just ruin it because you're trying to put in your laptop. So I don't really recommend. Sorry, if you have tablets, then maybe you can just put it. Okay? So these are the reasons why I love this bag. Number one is the size. The size is perfect for me. Not too big and not too small, and I can put a lot of things inside. It is very spacious. Second, the price, of course. It's just 100 plus thousand as compared to Louis Vuitton or Christian Dior. It's almost 200,000, so almost half the price. Number three, it's structured. I like bags that are structured. For me, they are classy. And lastly, it's so cute. It fits my personality. And for me, parang it doesn't scratch easily. Okay, and it's very nice. I like the color. It's classic. And it can easily be matched with any outfit like the one I'm wearing. I'm wearing white and blue, and it's perfect. So later, I'll be going to the mall to do some Christmas shopping. So I will be using this bag. This bag comes in various sizes. They have the small, they have the medium, they have the large. By the way, I would also like to share with you that I also check other designer brands like Louis Vuitton. So I checked their tote bag. The price is very similar to Christian Dior, almost 200,000, and it is actually very nice, that bag. I also checked the Givenchy. The Givenchy bag the price is 148,000, but I don't like the design. I think that's not my personality for that specific bag. And basically, those three that I checked, Louis Vuitton, Givenchy, and Christian Dior, before deciding to buy this Gucci tote bag. This bag comes in various sizes and in two colors, the dark blue and the brown. So when can I recommend you using this? Number one, you can use it at work because it's very structured. You would look like an executive when you use this. Second, when you travel, because you can put a lot of things here. Your ticket, your passport, your wallet. Personally, me, when I travel, I use two wallets. One, my usual wallet, and one, another wallet for my dollars. Okay, and you can also put some small items like alcohol or whatever that you would like to put. It's very sturdy. Third, when you shop, you can use this while shopping, because if you are tired of using like that, so you may just use it as a shoulder bag and do your shopping. And of course, when you meet with your friends or colleagues, so it's also cute. So you're wearing a simple dress or a slacks and a button shirt like this, so you would look very classy. Okay, so I hope you find this bag review, mini review, useful. I hope that if you are looking for a tote bag, you may consider buying this, because for me, I love this bag. Okay, so till again, this is Queen V saying be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye!